The staff that we have currently is staff that reports us on a daily basis, and they're wonderful. Everybody takes their job extremely serious. I have a helper who's on the floor all the time with them, double checking everything that they do. And again, double checking as far as inspecting what they already said they inspected to make sure that we have the right product in the right package. We're always checking quality, whether it's just, first we'll go through the printed materials that come down. We go through for color, we go through for coating, we go through for several different things before we even begin the pack out. That's one of my main goals on a daily basis, is to make sure that everything I receive is correct and accurate. If we find something wrong, our job will not proceed, it'll stop. Accuracy in our business is extremely important. Our goal is to meet or exceed our clients' expectations, whether that's internal or external, every time we touch a project.